Hey, so you're trying to make money online and you want something that is real and that you could actually get support and you won't be left alone when you try to build your business online. Well, I'm here to show you this, and I want to show you this because it's a very interactive platform and it shows you how to market online. And as you can see right here, 13 hours ago, right now, it's almost 12 a.m. It's 6:23 2022, right? So I just wanted to show you this in real time. Is what happened was somebody had the funnel builder system and they upgraded to the $100 a month, $100 a month traffic portion as a platinum member, because it's what that allows them to actually do is make money while they learn how to, get traffic to their sales funnel. So if you don't know how marketing works, basically online you need a way to build up an email list and capture emails and capture people's contact information. So when you build up an email list, they normally come to a page like this, and this is actually the funnel builder. So you could build multiple pages to actually promote any business opportunity. When they come to this page, they put in their email. When they put in their email, it will take them to a video that actually gives them more information. And this is how I've been able to build my business online after failing for many, many years, not having any results, going in and out of a bunch of stuff that I really had little to no results. And a lot of stuff I got ripped off on, right? Because it didn't really bring me any real results. And as you can see right here, my name is on the leaderboards for this week. And I continue to be on the leaderboards every single week, and I'm actually getting results. And this is all coming from email, coming from social media, and also coming from YouTube. So if you're watching this video from my email list or from YouTube or from Facebook, those are the methods that I use to actually build my business online. So when you're able to build an audience and you're able to retain your contact information, you end up building an email list, and that's how people from my email list are getting my videos or seeing my content, because I'm building up that audience and they're able to know who I am. They're able to know more about me, right? So when you do that, you're able to actually make money online, but you have to have your audience. In this funnel builder tool, it allows you to actually build out, a sales funnel. So what happens is whenever they put in their contact information from here, they'll come to a sales page, and normally the sales page will have a video that looks like the one in front of you, right? Then they'll be able to actually buy right there. And even if they don't buy, they're on your your email list, so then you're able to send them a series of follow-up emails so they're able to learn more information about whatever you have to offer. So when you get into here, this is a whole community, so you're going to actually learn what to do. You're going to start here, and then you're going to join the community so you could get your questions answered. And then from there is what you're going to do is you're going to set up your domain and your autoresponder, because you're going to need somewhere to host your sales funnel when you create it. And then you're going to need to learn about how to actually create your funnel. When you create your funnel, you're going to learn how to build your pages. You're going to learn how to optimize for mobile, so that means people on a phone. You're going to learn how to create your custom pixels so you could track, because it's important to know your numbers. There's a lot of tracking involved, so that way you're always in profit, and you have to know the tracking. And then you're going to learn how to do different things within the funnel to actually make more money. You could do upsells and downsells. And upsells, if somebody would buy within the funnel, they get taken to something else to get additional help. It might be some coaching. It might be something like that. That's an upsell. And if they don't buy after the first buy, it will take them to a downsell, which is something else of value that they could use to actually build and grow or learn from you. And you become the mentor. You become the one that they look up to, that gives them the information that they don't have. So you're going to learn how to do all this stuff. You'll also learn how to create your own products. You'll also learn how to create a membership site if you want to do that. This stuff is all about building online, building a business, and you want to learn how to book your appointments the right way. You're going to learn how to do all that. So this is what this is all about. You're going to learn about email marketing tips. You're going to learn about how to create a website. very, very cool stuff. Very, very informational. Very, very hands-on. Right. And this platform, it gives you a $20 commission. It's only $25 a month, and you get all this stuff. So you get the funnel builder, and you get to learn about marketing, how to build out your pages, so you can actually have an online business. Your this page right here is gonna be like your store doors to your store, right? Having a storefront is like having doors that people walk into. This is like this for the internet. So this is how they do it online. You have like the storefront right there. And then I wanted more. I wanted to learn about how to get people to see what I have to offer, how to get people to your sales funnel, right? Because you want to start building up a list. You want to learn how to do that. And there's things that you have to do before you actually start getting traffic, which is mindset, how to know who your target market is. That's basically who you're going to market to. You got to know that stuff, because this is very, very important stuff. You don't want to, offer something to somebody who has no interest or that doesn't need it, right? You want to make sure everybody that you offer something to needs what you have to offer. You're going to learn how to create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is basically what you give away in exchange for an email. You're going to learn about free methods. The free methods could be anything from, launching your business, to inviting people, to following up with people, to get leads on social media, to blog, YouTube ranking, which is why you see my videos in the top of the search engines. I use YouTube a lot. You could do podcasting if you want to do podcasting, which is like a radio show. You can learn about LinkedIn. You could also learn about Facebook advertising and other methods to actually get people to your sales funnel. So any of these you could learn how to do, and you also learn how to launch. So launching something is basically when you give information on the front end, then you offer something of value on the back end that people could buy. So you'll learn all about that stuff, and then you'll learn about paid methods as well. Here's the paid methods: text messaging, solo ad, which is basically an email from one marketer's list to another marketer's list, and they basically get onto your email list. And these are people who already know marketing, so they're already doing paid advertising. So you could just tap into their list, and they'll charge you per click, and you could get instant traffic, instant people to see what you have to offer, right? And then you'll learn about YouTube ads and Facebook ads as well, which is really cool. And then for conversions, you'll learn all about conversions, how to get people to actually buy from you. And then when you upgrade to premium, you'll get your questions answered immediately. We have a Telegram group that you can have access to, and you'll also be able to get on the Monday night Mastermind calls, which are basically by Zoom, so face to face, so you get help, so you never left alone. Then we have a daily call, which is a Grow Rich call, which basically focuses on mindset. So it helps you to be able to be in the right mindset, to be in a success mindset, to be in a positive mindset, and it's really, really helpful. And then we have a Take Action Daily Mastermind, where the owners of the company pretty much go over the shoulder and let you know what they're doing in business to actually get results. So you get to see all the stuff hands-on by video, and you can ask questions, right? And that's what's really cool about this, is you're never left behind, right? Whereas other things, you just buy a product on a website and you never hear from them ever again. This is totally different, right? And then there's also other, trainings that you could actually see and learn about marketing. And then there's also done for you funnels that you could actually hook up and become a part of, to actually, get traffic and start doing it instantly, which is really, really cool. Because people want to get instant results. People want to get set up and start going so they can start seeing results. And that's what this allows you to do. This gives you a $100 commission. So you'll be actually making $125 per month when you upgrade to premium. So it's very, very important to upgrade to premium, so that way you could make more money. Because think about it. If you want to get to $3,000 per month, right? Making sales for $20 a month, that will take you 150 sales. Would you rather make 150 sales to get to your $3,000 a month, or would you rather make 25 sales to get to $3,000 a month? It's up to you. I prefer going all in because it allows me to earn more, and I'm able to learn more as well. Especially when it's value and not crap. I'll invest in something that is going to help me to get to the next level. And if you would invest in a traditional business, you would probably be spending thousands of dollars to have a storefront, right? And then there's operational costs. With online business, it doesn't cost that much, right? You're paying a fraction of the cost that you would have for a storefront business. So that's what's really cool about this. Then there's a one-time product, which is kind of your mid-ticket. It gives you a $400 commission and it teaches you all about how to manage your business. So you're going to learn how to eliminate debt. You're going to learn about financials and how to actually file your taxes the right way in bookkeeping, so you know how to actually organize your business the right way. Because a lot of times people don't know how to organize their business the right way. When they start making money, they don't know how to organize their earnings and they don't know how to save on taxes. So this teaches you exactly how to save on taxes and invest in other stuff like property and having assets, so that way you don't have to give it away in taxes. Because when you put your money into assets, they make money for you. So you're going to learn all about this stuff as an additional bonus. This is a one-time buy of $400 and you're able to learn all this stuff. So once you own this product, you have it, and then you're making $120 a month per sign up, right? So if you get started with me today, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually help you to be able to get your stuff set up. I'm going to actually show you how to get traffic and how to start getting results immediately. And I'm going to actually build out a funnel for those people that get started with me. I'm going to send you, videos, every single week that's going to show you how to do certain things, and you're going to get more content with me. So you're going to know how to do insider stuff in marketing that enables you to actually get results faster. And that's the benefit of signing up with me. I'm going to teach you about marketing and help you to grow, as well as these trainings and as well as all this content in here. You'll have something of value that actually gives you the results. When somebody upgraded, they upgraded with the traffic and conversions portion today. So you could actually have those commissions as well when you upgrade to that. And I would go all in because that enables you to earn the most. And this is definitely something that converts and something that is going to help you to grow in life and business. So if you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And make sure you click on the link below this video and get started if you're watching from YouTube. If you're watching this from my email list, just click in the link in the email and it'll take you to the sales page. It should be around this link, and you could get started, right? And also, there's a link in the description to my Facebook group. It's where I do a lot of training and coaching at. So, you want to get in there. It's free to get in there. And I just give a ton of value. So make sure you get into the Facebook group. And I'll see you on the other side. All right, bye for now.